Hi, I'm Roman from Roman Reporting, and today we're doing the Slime Bucket Challenge for a charity called Action for Children.
That's right, if you go to slime-bucket.co.uk, there you will be able to make a donation, and in return you get your slime kit. And Action for Children is a really good charity. They believe, and their mission is that every child and young person deserves and should have the love, support and opportunity to reach their full potential. Unfortunately, hundreds of thousands of children are ill-treated and sometimes neglected, and Action for Children steps in and intervenes and prevents that from happening. So we've done our bit. We have donated. We've got our slime. I'm going to be pouring it. He's going to get it over his head. I think that's a good deal. No, don't throw it at me. That would not be nice. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2,
This is going to be very, very scary.
1.
Oh my god! Oh,
Yuck! Yeah! Are you okay?
Is it done yet?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
How does that feel?
Gloopy.
Gloopy.
Oh, it's all over me.
Yep. Who's got to do that washing?
You?
So, what do we need to do next, Roman?
Nominate people.
Who are you going to nominate then, Roman?
Tom from Out the Box.
Oh, your new friend.
Oh, I got some up my nose now. Tom from Out the Box,
Yep.
Sasha Presents, and Casper and Tom, my friends.
Yay, that'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So guys, please try your best to donate. Slime-bucket.co.uk.
Please give me
Comments down below. Please subscribe. Put the thumbs down button in the bin. Ah! In the bin! Ah! I'm covered.
Slime button in the bin.
Yeah, slimy button in the bin.